días, buenos días. Cuéntame, ¿cómo están? I think the big news of the morning is quite obvious. BTC. BTC is the big news of the morning. Uh, in 2 days here, it's made an incredible run here of about 4,000 points, 3,000 points, 4,000 points. Yeah, 4,000. Incredible here. And that's off the backs of the, SEC news and all that kind of shit. Yeah, the Mara saved my ass yesterday, man. You can see I got it in my positions here. So I had 600 of these. I got 300 left. So I'm definitely gonna cover some off the open. I'm gonna dump half of the Mara off the open, right? So this 300 line right here, the option closed at like a buck 30. I think it's probably gonna, with this gap up, it's probably gonna open at like a buck 50. So I'll take that shit off the open. So that's first order of business. I sold more calls on the BA to hedge because this BA is shit. Um, I think it's back into the range here, and it's just gonna do absolutely nothing. Honestly, I'm kind of thinking of buying some puts on this thing. Sounds kind of crazy on the BA, but it would be a swing basis. And again, buying puts for a swing right now, it's tough. Check out the Spotify. This thing is still slowly grinding up. Slowly grinding up. Some interesting names, of course, yesterday was the Tesla run. It's still up this morning, despite the fact the market's down. It printed 278 in the after hours yesterday. Um, you know, this thing has just been getting call buying every single day. And then you got the Nvidia. Nvidia printed 438 yesterday. Looks so fucking strong into the close, and now it's gapping down 4 points. Kind of interesting. I might put the short calls back on. That shit took me for a ride yesterday, so that shit was painful. I'm still kind of feeling out where a possible short could be. If you take a look at SPY here, pre-market, they're already making this thing look pretty damn weak. Yesterday's lows was around 435 flat. You know, we kind of feel exhausted. We kind of feel exhausted. Kind of feel exhausted. Again, you can't get too cocky on that statement there because you bury yourself heavy on a short, and my boy here is talking about Intel. Where is AJ? What do you say? No, where's AJ? Oh, he's in DC. All right. What about your small caps here? You got anything? You got anything good on the small caps here? What happened to that VCIG? That thing was a good short. I couldn't get any locates yesterday. Oh, Ocean Biomedical. So this is a short. SMCI. Yo, that SMCI sick pullback from the highs there, man. Man, you know what? Yo, I think I'm just gonna watch this Nvidia today. I'm just gonna put in time on the tape and try to catch that 10-point move down on the puts whenever it happens. I don't know when it's gonna happen. MSTR is obviously gonna be the sympathy play on the BTC. Nice move in the past couple of days on the MSTR. I'm obviously still in the Mara. Gonna dump half off the Mara. How many of you guys got that Mara though? That Mara was nice. That Mara was nice. AHI Duke Drastic is talking about here with the oh, Advanced Health Intelligence. This shit hit 375, but it looked like much back in June or something. Um, I actually made my first trade on Kalshi yesterday. Um, I just want you guys to see it. So basically, have any of you guys traded binary options before? You guys have traded binary options before, correct? I would imagine you guys have traded binary options before. So what did I do? So basically, I love this particular bet that they have. So every single day, they have an S&P. They have an S&P 500 daily close, right? And I trade SPX. I'm writing SPX all the time. You know what I mean? So towards the middle of the day, you start to figure out like where we could close, you know. The problem with this is, and again, the market makers are real slick, man. The market makers are real slick. I'll show you the trade for today. I'll show you the trade for today once this thing gets back up and going. I want you guys to all open up accounts here cuz this shit is going to be our fun while we're trying to find some, some serious trades here. Um but we'll throw about that. We'll throw this stuff in later here. Um, UPST and all those names, maybe you can get a second day move on these things because they're still weak. The tape is still super weak. You know, maybe you can get a second day move on this stuff because I mean, again, these things are really, really, really floated. To the upside, the Carvanas, all this stuff. I have a short going on the Melly. It's more of a swing short. It's not really doing anything. Um, you know, I don't know. And then as far as the banks here, the banks, they all look pretty shitty from the day before. Um, Overall, I think today is going to be trash. I think it's going to be absolute trash. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick to tape on Tesla and Nvidia because those are the only two moves that, I'm really kind of interested in. Yeah, and then you got a lot of Fed speakers today. So you got Powell opening his mouth at 10 a.m. So who the fuck knows what this dude can say? Good dude could say anything here. You know, and that could be a problem for all of us. Yeah, I mean, again, I'm going to cover the Mara. I'm going to cover half of the Mara off the open. Half of the Mara. You know, I'll do that. Other than that, I really don't have shit. I really don't have shit. You know. So what do y'all got? I'm Wicked is saying, do you use Tradeovate installed on the computers over there? We have a couple people that use Tradeovate, and again, remember, the computers are yours. So when you come here, you can install whatever the fuck you want to. It'll be erased. All of it'll be erased when you leave. Yeah, Tesla, insane move yesterday, for real. Um, Shut the fuck up with the pins, man. Did you see it in the after hours yesterday? I'm looking at it in the after hours yesterday. I was like, what is going on? It printed 2570 in the after hours yesterday. you know? And I was like, and I felt the emotion of it, like being like, damn, I covered it. And what if it goes now? Blah, blah, blah. Fucking stupid ass pins. I'm out of the pins completely. I'm not in it. It's done. Um, I didn't look at the silver and the gold Interesting on silver and gold. Wow. Wow. Yo, Natalia, uh, if we have minus 1,000 on the SW, where do we open at for CM? Well, so we have a big upside bias then. Creo que ahora no vamos a coger like A plus setups here. Exacto. A las 10. He's already saying there's an article out this morning that's saying Fed's Powell says interest rate pause is expected to be temporary. You know, Bruce Soros is saying, what do you consider an A plus setup? I don't know, Bruce. Why don't you send me some money, man? Shut the fuck up. How about that? ¿Te da risa mi acento? Cómo suena mi acento, tú crees? Leo's saying, still tons of dip buyers out there scared to short shit. Dude, 100%, man. 100%. You know, if we look at all the big fang names, fat man names, or whatever, like Amazon and Google, like they really just kind of stalled out. Microsoft, you know, the Meta, but they're still at their highs. You know what I mean? Snow's got that investor day meeting or whatever the hell that shit is. Um, you know, so maybe you fuck around with that thing, but I haven't been trading that thing, so I don't even want to do it. I'll leave that shit to y'all. This fucking. All right. I played beach tennis this morning, man. Just took a shower and shit. One of the most beautiful things about the office is that there's showers here. That means I can go to the beach, come back, take a shower. All right. Muscle is saying if you had a magic program that could look across markets at level 2, etc., what would you have that thing doing? Send me some money, maybe, and I'll have a conversation with you. Fuck y'all think this shit is, man. Remember, this shit is for y'all entertainment. You want information actually directly from me? You want me to answer a question? Send me some motherfucking money. Send me some muscles, muscle. Muscle fool. Muscle fool. Good. Are you not entertained? What time are you waking up to play beach tennis before market open? I'll get to the beach by like 6 o'clock in the morning. So class starts at 6, and then I'm playing until like 8:30. So I get up at 4, I do yoga, and then I hit the beach. Yo, if you get me a Chipotle gift card, bro, that's fucking heart emoji right there, bro. Let me get that new that chicken al pastor. Oui. Bruce is saying, what time do you go to bed? I go to bed at like 9, 10. I try to. Most likely it's like 11. Um, anyway, so again, my plan here: cover the Mara here, half the Mara off the open. Um, I'm gonna sell back the calls on Nvidia. ¿Qué es el beach tennis? La pelota rebota en la arena. Más o menos, más o menos. El deporte está creciendo, bro. Creciendo. Ok, yo te enseño. Yo te enseño ahora mismo. Ok, mira esto. Los brasileños son los que tiene, the marketing and all that kind of shit behind it. But this is beach tennis right here.
Com bastante. A gente tá com uma média aí de troca de bolas de 5 toques na bola. Vamos ver esse 40
Ready?
iguais aí.
Ace, 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 ace,
AC,
Guimarães,
AC, AC, AC.
ponto!
Aí, por favor. That's the number one. That's one of the number
A
one players
forma
in the
de
world.
gestão para a sua arena.
Michele Capelletti.
Não antes das
Spoto.
18h20,
This guy is the number one in the world right here.
teremos Família Daina e Nicole Nobile, cabeças de
The
chave
back
número
right.
2, que
This guy right
enfrentam
here.
Paty Dias e Rafa
This
Miller,
is
que
the
são as
number
cabeças
one
de chave
pair in
número
the
1.
world right
Depois, não antes das
now. This
20
kid's
horas,
23.
teremos aqui
That kid's 23.
o jogo que a gente acabou de
It's fucking
acompanhar. André Baran e Nikita Burmakin, que vão enfrentar os vencedores dessa partida, que estamos acompanhando nesse momento.
Boa, boa, boa. Então se programe aí
Boa, boa, bola.
para acompanhar.
I gotta learn how to play. I gotta learn how to
Boa,
play.
boa, boa. Então se programe aí.
No, I gotta learn how to speak Portuguese. Are there any videos of me playing beach tennis? Of course, there's videos of me playing beach tennis. Tesla here is red now. Finally, here 274. Nvidia back up to 435. I'm thinking about writing the calls again on Nvidia because I wrote the puts yesterday. I'm probably gonna be down on those off the open. That's exactly what it is. Volleyball with a racket, 100%, 100%. But it makes the game so much different. You guys gotta play. It's a fucking scene down here, man. Big tournaments, man. Big prize money. Lots of fun. Lots of drinking. Shit, man. It's a whole vibe, man. So when I retire, that's all I'll be doing. Yeah, pickleball is the fastest growing sport, or the paddle or whatever is the fastest growing sport in the States. And everybody's playing that shit. Tesla here is very interesting here, down about 60 cents here after being up about a good 3-4 points. Again, this hasn't had a red day in a long time. Nobody has sold this fucking thing in a long time. Could we get a red day on it? I don't know. Bruce is saying, am I going to retire? Shit, any day I could retire. What do y'all got? Give me some ideas here. Give me something. Give me something. He will retire when he gets his $40 million trade. Yeah, shit. Again, once your account is at 5 million, it's a lot easier to make $1 million a month. It's a lot easier to make $1 million a month. I could sit on my fat ass and just write options with unlimited leverage and I can make, I can make a good $500,000 a month kind of thing. You know what I mean? So once you get there, the path is there for you to make, 20, 30, 50. You can do it. Samsung is saying, pay me and I will give you ideas. No, thank you. Because your ideas are most likely worth. I mean, let me not be an asshole. But no, thank you. I won't be taking you up on your offer. FedEx here had the earnings. Maybe you take a look at this one off the open here, but I don't even want to. I don't even want to add new names to my shit right now. I really don't want to because NKLA, sure, penny stock type shit. You know. Oh, Maxwell, he don't know. You don't know, man. Maxwell, tú no sabe, bro. You don't know, man. Remember, at $5 million, the broker gives you unlimited leverage. You don't get it, bro. You don't get it. Bruce, oh, pobrecito. Look at Bruce. You can be an asshole to us, but when we talk shit to you, you want to time us out. Yeah, because this is my world, bitch. You got a fucking problem with that? Bruceosaurus? TWO. Fuck that thing. What? Decent for what? Chop? A short? What are you thinking, Dizzy, on this thing? Man, I'm already off that. I don't even want to look at it. Tesla, nice pump back up, point and a half. Love for Barca is saying the way you visualize tape is really interesting. You have your time in sales with 100 to 1 and your level 2 with normal size is not divided by 100 as your time in sales. Honestly, this shit's fucking me up. What was the dash trick for the time in sales on it? That you could see the actual size on it? Because all I'm getting is right click. Yeah. Quantity config. Right click. Keep it on or off? Turn it off. All right. There it is. There it is. Thank you. Boom. There we go. All right. Is that better for you? Degen Trader is saying I didn't know TraceFace PR has desk seats for people to rent. That's pretty cool. Jesus, how the fuck long has he been sitting here and he doesn't fucking know? You see what I mean? People just walk around here just fucking oblivious, man. Yeah, man. Yeah. Here, let me send you the link. Yeah, Bruce, you can talk shit all day. You can talk shit all day right now, bro. But if you pay, if remember, if you pay to be a part of this space, then immediately you have you have my respect. Right now, you mean, you're just a name here, Bruceosaurus. A shitty name at that. You know what I'm saying? I don't know you. But you come over here, then it's a whole different story, man. We go out together, we hang out together. You know, right now you just fucking Bruceosaurus, some herb. All right. Duke here is shorting OCEA. Nice, man. What are the locates going on for that? I'll mess around with you on that one. Let's see if we can get 5,000 shares here. Let's see what's going on. For $500 for 5,000 shares. $5? He's paying me $5? First of all, $5 is shit. Okay? Put a couple zeros next to that, man. And then maybe I'll give a shit. $5. Get the fuck out of here. I got the locate. I got the locate for the OCEA, so I'm a short, I'm a short with you only because I am bored. All right, I shorted 1,000 shares to start on the whatever the hell it is, the whatever the fuck this stupid thing is, OCEA. It has room to fucking unlimited. El Capitan is saying, did you buy Mara yesterday after you opened? Yeah, yeah. Remember, I started buying it. You guys saw me buy it. I bought 100, and then it was down. Obviously, I come back to it after BTC has started to come back. Mara came back. I bought 600 of it. Duke is saying VCIG got him yesterday. That was it tough. Was it a tough trade? Everybody was trading that thing yesterday. It seemed like VCIG looks like a tough trade, but obviously it's fucking working now, man. Yo, DGen Trader, the price point is a tough thing, man. Price point is a tough thing. Anyways, let's get focused here. Again, we got Tesla and the Nvidia that we're taking a look off the open. And then of course we want to check the markets here to see how weak we actually are, if we can actually sell off at all here. Remember, we had the Mara open back up. Open up. Okay, we have the Mara opening up at a $1.50 and change. Let's try to get out of this. Damn. Okay, I'm gonna sell 100 of this. All right, and then I got 100 on the offer here. Let's hopefully we get picked off. Okay, I mean, we basically just want to sell. We basically just want to sell half. We sold half of the Mara. SPY is looking weak. Nvidia looking weak here too. So let's do the right thing on the Nvidia here, which is sell back the calls that we fucking dumped yesterday, like a fucking chump. Okay, so let's sell back these 440s. Okay, we just sold 50. Well, fuck it. We'll sell 100 of those. All right. So we still got 150 left of the Mara. That's still working. The BA sucks, but hopefully we can scrape back some premium on these short calls. We have the OCEA, which looks like it's trading 761 here at this moment. Natalia, where do we open up here? All right, so it's Fat Man that's running the show here again. Can we actually get a sell on a Google, Amazon, or any of this stuff, though? Somehow, I don't think so. Microsoft looks strong. Let's take a look at the AMD. Nvidia here trading back up. Pins here is flat. Where's that Tesla? Tesla 277. Mara IV percentile was like 0% a few days ago. IV helping the premiums there. It's already trading $1.60. Mara is, I mean, Bitcoin is flat 29 here. Bitcoin is flat 29 here. Okay, I'm watching tape on Nvidia and the Tesla. Let's see if we can get a move here. Let's see if we can get a move here. Man, that fucking Mara. Jesus. All right, now from an SPX perspective, do we sell both sides? Do we chill and not do anything? Powell's talking today. You know, OCEA, let's take a look at this one. 730, 730. Shit, let's short another 1,000 shares. We got 2,000 shares on the OCEA. I'm not even going to watch this thing. Y'all tell me what the fuck I should do with this thing. I don't even give a shit. Fucking 2,000 shares or whatever. Nvidia, nice flop here. Let's take a look at the Melly. You know what? I like the sell both sides trade. How much leverage do I have? I got a couple mil leverage here. Melly is doing nothing. Meta here. Whatever. Let's take a look at the banks. Banks doing nothing. Down a little bit. That fucking Mara though, man. That fucking Mara, man. Guys, I'm gonna sell another 50 of the Mara here. 170. 170 from 74. And those are the July fucking monthlies. This thing just printed highs. Just printed highs. What a move, man. Yeah, J Pow. You got old fucking J Pow. J Pow wow. Um, let's take a look at the BA. BA 210. BA 210. What a piece of shit. I already got nothing. I'm thinking about now selling far out both sides on SPX because this tape looks like shit. 184 on this option. Oh my god, guys. 1250. Take it easy. Take it easy. I'm gonna sell another 25 of these. I got 75 left on the Mara. We've been in $2 range for Mara over a month. Yep, big move is coming. Can you help me send? Nice cover. Nice cover. Nice cover. Guys, I'm gonna get out of the rest of this. I think we're exhausted here on the Mara for now. I got out of all the Mara. I'm out completely. You know what you could do if you want to just save, if you want to scrape pennies, you could sell, we could sell the puts on this Mara all day, but we'd have to sell a lot because they're probably worthless. Right? So if you sell the $10, yeah, these things are worthless. $11 puts or 20. Okay, we get a pop here on SPY. Okay, what was I going to do? I was going to look at both sides on SPX because this looks like shit. Um, where's Nvidia? 434, 435. That's fine. That's fine. I think this thing is really going to start consolidating like crazy. So I'm short both sides. I think that trade is going to come in really good. You know, but we got another couple days to wait. The BA. Somebody's talking about Q names holding. Whatever. Natalia, how we look now? Pero fuck the numbers, girl. Tell me how we look. How does it feel? Uh-huh. Okay. Es que no tenemos CM, no tenemos suficiente CM. So these would just be aggressive shorts. Y liquidez. All right, I'm gonna sell the 44.05s. Okay, so I'm just gonna go for $1 here. Right, let's just sell 50 of those, and then I'm gonna sell 50 of the puts too. 435 is a pretty key level though. It definitely is a key level here, guys. So watch the 435 on SPY. I'm going to sell 50 of the calls, and I'm going to sell 50 of the puts here. 43.20s. What can I get a dollar for? 43.35s, 43.40s. That's 30 handles out. Yeah, that's fine. Right, and then we'll cover this one. All right, so we're going to sell both sides, guys, because this looks like shit. This action looks like trash, which I kind of had a feeling it was going to look like this off the open. All right, yeah, watch the 435. Now, BTC, keep an eye on the BTC, man. Super important on the BTC. Nice fade on the Mara. Good cover on the Mara, guys. Good cover on the Mara. I think you short this BTC up here, too. Yo, how could we do that, actually? Well, what do we short? We short the BITO, B-I-T-O? Yeah, I bet these options are horrible, though. Oh, I forgot about that OCEA. What are we doing here? Y'all ain't telling me shit. OCEA. Oh, it did crack? It cracked it for a second. I got 2,000 shares. What are we doing on this thing? I made $1,000 on it. Yeah, fuck it. What do you want to do? Yo, are we holding this? Are we holding this? What are we doing? Short MSTR. That actually, I like that, right? Because if I can just get the stock, yeah, I like that. Because this thing's a fucking mover, man. This thing's a mover. Let me short 100 shares. I shorted 100 shares of the MSTR. Let's just see what happens there. All right, the OCEA. Honestly, I don't even want to watch it here. We made $1,000 on it, so fuck it. Let's get the fuck out of this. Right? Fuck it. All right, I'm out of the OCEA. Looking at Tesla alone here, I mean, they're holding it really well. Remember, the more they hold this Tesla and the more the market can't sell, once the market goes back up, you might see Tesla at 280. Let's see what the flow is doing here. Let's take a look at some flow. Let's take a look at some flow. Maybe we can get a read on something here. They bought some Mara $12 calls, 16.5 calls, lotto tickets here. Tesla 270 calls in the monies, though. And then he got some shop 64s here. This is natural gas, APA, MRO. So what's going on with gas here? Or let's take a look at natural gas names and then oil maybe. You can see Nvidia's kind of weak, man. Nvidia is kind of weak. Do we get the short going in this thing? AMD's holding. Meta is just chilling. Which one? This thing is nuts, man. This fucking Mara is nuts, man. Drops 50, comes right back. BTC is at 29.1. It's not ready yet. It ain't ready yet. It ain't my fault. Tape on Nvidia looks weaker. Ben, you looking at this Nvidia at all? Hmm. 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 AHI. They're nuts, man. They're nuts. My July calls, they went to $1.90, bro. I bought them at 70 cents. I'm out of that shit already, though. I did pretty well. I did pretty well. I'm just getting I'm getting hit now on the Nvidia. You know what? Right, so we sold 25 of those. Let's sell more of the calls. You know what? Let's just wait. Let's wait. Nvidia here 432 almost. The tape is weak on the Nvidia. For reals. Tape is weak. Tape is weak. All right, so let's say we were to play this thing, right? So 432, right? Where I mean, we're going for like 420 here. So 420 puts are two. Jesus. 430s, 425. Let's pull up these 425s. They're going for 380 here. Remember, Powell, yeah, Powell talking in 15 minutes. True, 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 true. GP Raber trying to keep emotions out of it. Mara contracts up 800%. He's got the $12 weeklies. Woo! Nice, bro. Nice, bro. GP Raber. Ow. Coño. All right. I got to get a hedge here for these short puts anyway. So let's start buying some Nvidia long puts. Let's buy 25 to start. Let's just see what happens here. But this tape does look weak. And you think about it, you know, yesterday's rally to fresh highs, it looked like that thing was going to go. You know, and now all of a sudden, it doesn't look too hot. Remember, I got the short calls too, though, which is good. What the fuck? Oh, because I already shorted that line. You motherfucker. You know what? I covered the whole short put line. Okay, what I'm gonna do is flip, and I'm gonna fucking buy it, and then we're gonna blitz the living shit out of the calls here. Something's going on this Nvidia. If the tape is weak and somebody is selling it, the question is how much do you have to sell? How much do you fucking have to sell? Ben, you're gonna want to take a look at this this Nvidia when you got a second here. I shorted more of the calls. Okay, now what we're gonna do? We want to see, yo, this thing is not even bouncing here. 430, complete retrace there. So we blitz the calls. Now we got 150 of those. If we make the cash there, that's 2 points on 150 contracts. That's 30 grand right there. You know what I'm saying? I'll take that shit all day, baby. Now we have the 425 put. Okay, we have the 425 put. What's today? Today's Wednesday? Today's Wednesday. Okay. We need time here. Oh, don't tell me. What's going on with Pac W? The fuck, man? That thing is shit. Tobias, man, can you get it together, man? Get yourself together, man. Don't be hurt, man. All right, let's also sell more puts. Okay, so we're gonna sell the put side. So we got 75 of the put side. Mara highs, get the fuck out of here, man. BTC, 29.2, 29.2. FedEx, wow, retrace on the FedEx, man. That's good. That's bullish for the market right there. I'll tell you that. I'll tell you that. I'll tell you that right now. I'll tell you that right now. Nvidia 427 yesterday's lows. Yeah, man. Now I feel super confident on the short calls. So I'm all day on that shit. Now, what I need to do. Now the problem is I'm running out of fucking leverage here. So what I could, oh, you know what I'll do? I'll release this BA. But you know what the problem is? I'm not gonna get the fucking juice back for it. Fuck. 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 Okay, I cover the BA, but that's not gonna give me the fucking juice back until tomorrow. Motherfucker. Madden here took the 430 weekly puts. Caught some of that Nvidia move with puts. Nice job, buddy. Nice job. Now you're gonna get consolidation down here. So this is gonna get a little tricky. Check out the Tesla. Check out the Tesla. Finally got a punk move down here. Let's see if these 270 puts actually pay out here. 270 puts on the Tesla are going for $4.70. Let's buy 25 of those to start. Let's buy 25 of those to start. Remember, this thing hasn't had a down day in fucking forever. Literally, fucking forever. Okay? Now, Nvidia here, 430. Somebody's selling this thing. Somebody is selling this fucking thing. Now, we ain't, the problem is, I ain't making shit on this option. Natalia, cuéntame. The fat man looks a little bit stronger, yeah? See, yeah, BTC 29.3 now. Nah, yeah, I mean, you're on a different exchange. What exchange are you looking at? Yeah, that makes you a herb. Somebody's selling this Nvidia. I mean, I'm hesitating to fucking size up too. We should have fucking 900 contracts of this. Yeah, I covered the. It looks like I covered the Mara too early, man. 1272. Somebody's selling Nvidia, man. Okay. I kind of want to take some profit here. Let me sell 25 of the Nvidia, and then let me sell 50 of the other contracts that I have. Let's keep it tight. I have 25 of the Tesla. Well, I have 50 of the Tesla, apparently. And then MSTR, I'm getting smoked on. Holy shit, because it's trading that much more up? Whoa. Wow. 331 on that MSTR. Holy shit. Nice bounce. Nice bounce here. Nice bounce on Nvidia. Good cover, guys. Good cover on half. All right, let's sit back and reassess here. Okay. Here's the scenario, right? So Nvidia retraced that move it made in the afternoon. It doesn't necessarily mean that it's going to go down another 10 fucking points from here, right? The market also has to sell off as well. Yeah. This is weird tape, Natalia. You got CM positive here. They're finally selling a good amount of these fat man names. But this is weird. Hank Day, thank you. Powell speaks in 8 minutes anyway. Let's just chill. Yeah, Ranchero, I see the Nvidia call buyers here. They're rolling it out. It makes sense. It makes sense. Right, let's fresh lows there. Fresh lows on Tesla. I'm gonna cover some of the short puts that I have. Okay, nice move, nice move. Nice. We should have a lot more. I should have a lot more of this, man. I fucking punked out, man. Fucking punked out, bro. Punked out like a fucking chump. What the fuck? All right, I covered my Nvidia more or less. I have the short call, so we know we're gonna make money there. I could just sell more of those. You know what? Fuck it, right? Fuck it, right? I could just sell more of those. Right, I'll make another. Man, I'm kind of pissed. Kind of pissed right now. The Tesla, I still got a 50 lot on the Tesla. Fuck. Fuck. I gotta wait it out. I gotta wait it out. But I'll tell you what, the easiest money that we can make right now is to just sell the fucking calls, man. And then I'll make $1.50 on that. I could move lower, right? But that's risky. That's risky. Let's say I go to the 440s. Is it that risky though? 2 days left. Let's wait for Powell. Let's wait for Powell. Amazon is green. Bank of America is green. Exxon is green. It's a weird. This is weird. Weird session here thus far. BTC 29 fucking 4 here. Wow. Um, if you guys are looking for the breaks, I don't know. I'm just not buying it. But that Google is interesting. It's definitely interesting. Definitely interesting. Let's take a look at the AMD 116. Pins here, surprisingly enough, holding. Netflix holding. Let's take a look at the Microsoft. Microsoft kind of juked everybody out off the open here, and right. So it's mostly fat men, but they are holding banks and oil. Take a look again. Take a look. Same rotation here. Your banks here are getting held up, and they're coming out of some fat man shit. They're coming out of Tesla, and they're coming out of Nvidia. We see it. We see it, guys. Tape is pretty clean. Tape is pretty fucking clean. Fresh lows on Nvidia. You know what? Let's move down. Let's move down. It is what it is, guys. If I'm not gonna fucking smoke the puts, which I fucking should be, let's at least. Okay, so we move down. I still got a 25 lot on that Tesla, which, by the way, they're really starting to sell now on the Tesla. There you go. There you go on the Tesla. Let me cover some of that. All right, I moved down on the Nvidia short calls. This fucking BA just lit my ass up. We still got a bunch of leverage here. MSTR faded off there too. How many of you guys are still in this Nvidia, guys? I don't think we should be covering here until the market gives us a sign that we should be. Madden, Tesla at 270. Bro. Shit. I piked my fucking Nvidia puts too, man. We saw it. We saw that selling. Fucking 432, man. This is not done either. This ain't done either. Those fucking Tesla puts too. Damn it, man. Damn it. I can't get it back. It is what it is. Let's move on. What? Now you're just fucking. Now you're just seeing it. Fucking guy. Now notice the market. Notice the market. It's holding here. You know what I mean? It's holding here while they do this rotation. Fuck. Fucking punked it out, man. Fucking punked it out. Motherfucker. Fine. You wanna fucking play rough? Fine. Sold back the puts on SPY. Now you notice now the tape is, look at how different the tape is on Nvidia. Now you can't find a bid, right? Everybody who's trapped from yesterday's move, they have to get out. Same thing as the Tesla. Same thing as the Tesla. Fuck. Motherfucker. What a fucking move. That's a double on the option here. Son of a bitch. I mean, the good thing is I'm getting a premium here, and I'll make money there, but still pisses me off, man. There won't be any bounce here. Will be very minuscule on the Nvidia. It will be like that UPST from yesterday. If you look at UPST, by the way, you get a second day on these. You get a second day on these. Tesla finally, you know, 425 now on the Nvidia. They just blew through size here on the bid at 425. Oh my God, motherfucker. I didn't even roll, man. I'm just sitting here just like a fucking punk, man. Motherfucker. Motherfucker. I'm pissed. Fucking pissed. This is at least $100,000-$200,000 day. At least. Fucking at least. It is what it is. I'll let it go. Can't do shit about it now. Okay. At this point, all I'm going to do is just short more of the calls, and we can make our money back there. Yo, it is Powell on the board right now? Is he speaking right now? What's this Herb saying? If he's saying anything. Pop right back on SPY. Notice they still cannot sell the market, which is very, very interesting. So all they did was just rotate to these, you know what I mean? To these names. Where's that BA? 210. All right, man. At this point, I'm just gonna chill here. I have my rights here. We're up 10 grand or so. We'll see what's up on the SPX as we get closer on. Let me throw a punt at on Kalshi here because I don't want to do anything. There was your 425 reshort area right there. Meeting is starting. Waiting for the Nvidia puts 420 for Friday to retrace for an entry now. Sold my Tesla puts way too fast. I'm sorry, guys. It's partly my fucking fault there. Indeed. Amens. Indeed. All right, let's see what the bets line up for today. I'm kind of fucking bored already. Let's see, what do we got here? We need our SPX S&P daily close. Yeah, here we go. Now, the shitty part is that they make you do it in 25-point increments, which is tougher, which is a lot tougher, right? So if we look at indexes right now, what are we at? We're at 43.62. Is that accurate? Is that accurate? Yeah, 43.62. So if we go to this daily close, that's a tough bet. That's a tough bet. I don't know. Because you're not going to bet up here. I mean, it's 62, right? Abel is saying, bro, can I just say I appreciate the room as much as there is frustration to share it with the group is great. Well, that's the point. This is the entertainment. And then there's so much educational value if you learn how to shut the fuck up and listen, which Bruceosaurus and most people they can't do. It's the same reason why I tell people like don't take a trading course. Just book a desk over here at the office and just sit there and shut the fuck up and listen. You'll learn more in a month than you ever have in any course. You know, but people don't want to hear that shit. People don't get it. They don't get it. You know. Okay. Yeah. For anybody who wants the re-entry on the Nvidia, they're definitely gonna make you work for it 100%. From the SPY perspective, though, we definitely looks like we kind of broke down here. You know, from that 435 area. So we're lower than that area. The rotation couldn't, you know, it can't hold the market up. So if you look at oil, right? Look at oil. Look at oil and look at XOM. You know, these look really good. These look really good. You know, but if you look at the banks, let's say, you know, they are holding. Goldman and all this kind of stuff, they are holding. You know, but it's not enough to rotate into some other shit and keep this market up. The shadow is saying SPY 432. Are you betting on that for today? MSTR kind of came back most of it. 29.1 you're trading on the BTC. Mara here is back down to more or less the lows, 12 and a quarter. You know, I already basically have my positions. This Melly, by the way, still I'm losing money on this. That's a time premium thing. Right? If we take a look at Nvidia, there's your pop. There's your pop. That's what you're looking for here. Let's see if you can get 426, 427, and then maybe try to go in for a re-entry. Maybe. 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 Um, so you're going to pop here in the market. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and buy small, super small Nvidia puts, the same line, the Nvidia 425 puts. Super small, nothing crazy. I'm short the calls. Obviously, you guys know I'm still short all the calls. Um, oh, yeah. If you take a look at the Tesla, you know, you could make the case for the same kind of move. Now, remember, these stocks are crazy, man. They could just come all the way back, right? And eat up the whole program sell down if enough people are just like, hey, yeah, we want to dip buy this thing. You know, the meta here is back down to 3 that it was up yesterday. You know, so don't get too cocky, man. The second they start really bidding these things up, oof, you know, oof, things could move very quickly. I got out of the short puts that I wrote on SPX twice for a loss, and in reality, they're fine. They're fucking fine over here. Okay, there's your pop. All right, let's take a look at the Nvidia here. Where are we? Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna buy another quarter. Nice pop on the SPY. Really nice pop on the SPY. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and buy another 25 of the Nvidia puts here. Yeah, Tesla looks fine. 270 looks fucking fine, bro. Seriously. You know, I'm looking at SPY like we look fine. Natalia, ¿qué tú crees? Sí, sí. Para mí parece que vamos a subir. Pero vamos a tener un día bien difícil en ES and SPY. Eso quiere decir que no hay A plus. No hay A plus setups here. Leo is saying, how's the MSTR short? I have no idea. You tell me. How's it going? Is it going good? Oh, I'm green. Oh, wow. Lovely. Where's that OCEA? Ah. Ugh. This thing piked back up to $8 though before going to $6 and change. Nice. 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 I'm gonna hold at 50 for the Nvidia. I'm gonna hold at a 50 lot for the Nvidia. My cost is 6 and a quarter. Um, is Powell saying anything? Is this Herb saying anything? Okay, now we're trading 68. Congress testimony today, so all the House representatives are yapping. Yeah, man. John V. I mean, kind of, I guess. All right, let's take a look at some of this flow. Amazon, you got some bear puts here. Microsoft puts. PAAS. What is this name? 280s on the meta. PAAS. PAAS. The Pan American Silver. High-yo silver. Look at SPY. Once Nvidia stopped selling, guys, Nvidia and Tesla stopped selling, market came back. Market came back and looks fucking fine here, man. Market came back and looks completely fine. Nice pop. Nice pop. Nice pop, man. And look at, and those are the only two names that were selling, really. Other than that, I mean, sure. We had some other tech names, AMDs and all that kind of stuff. Charmel is saying, am I still short biased now? I'm nothing biased. I would rather put back on my other side. The problem is now I'm too over levered on the short puts or on the short side that I don't have any leverage anymore. You know what I'm saying? So I'm kind of stuck here a little bit. I'm gonna buy another 25 of the Nvidia puts, and then if you notice, I'm flat on the day. It's fucking sad, man. It's sad. When it's there, you gotta go for it. When it's there, you gotta fucking go for it. All right, so now we're back. I'm back to now a bias on both sides. Sell both sides because we ain't doing shit. Um, Now I just gotta find the leverage though for it. I don't know where the fuck I'm gonna find it. I don't know where the fuck I'm gonna find it. I mean, it's all gonna come out from this Nvidia. Emens, yeah, yeah. I like the Nvidia here. I mean, I got 75 here. My cost is about $6, so I can definitely at least break even on this shit. We'll see. We'll see. For now, I'm gonna chill. Yeah, man. Nvidia's strong. I need to get on the other side of this trade. How am I gonna do this? Okay. All right. So, all right. Let's dump half of these, but 440 by 460. Oh, I already have it up. Okay. All right. There's my break even on Nvidia right here. Let's just get an order out. Right. We're just gonna sell half and fucking break even here. Mario saying C4400, 685 lots waiting to get filled. Jerome's talking now. Parcero, tú estás en Colombia, ¿dónde estás? Okay, we got filled for half of the Nvidia there. We got 35 left, so, you know, whatever. Let's close 50 of the short calls that I moved down on. That gives me some leverage back. Right? Let's dump the rest of this in fucking Nvidia. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out of the long puts. But I don't think we're just gonna get any juice here. Dímelo, Faith, ¿cómo está, baby? How? You okay? Perdona, no. Ask Chrissy trades. I don't feel good. It's not about the trade. I don't feel good about myself right now.
Ben, check out coin. Consolidating around VWAP.
I think you're absolutely fine. I think you're absolutely fine. Just mentally here, I'm fucked. So I have the short calls. I'm gonna get paid on these anyway. What I want to do now is get the short puts on the SPX. That's what I want to do now. There's your move on the Nvidia. Of course. Of course. But again, I'm short the calls. It's okay. And after you miss that morning move, it's not like I'm going to get it's not like I'm going to double on my options here. Unless we go to 420, which is possible, I guess, but I can't see it. I can't see it. So what I want to do is get on the short put side from the SPX perspective. Right, so let's get going there. And you know what else I'm doing? I'm using SPY as too much of an indicator for Nvidia. Nvidia is doing its own thing right now. Nvidia and Tesla are doing their own thing right now. They're operating outside of SPY right now. Somebody is just, selling out of a good amount of shares. That's it. And it has nothing to do with what's going on in SPY right now. Fuck. Fuck. That's fucking 10 grand threw away right there. Fuck me. Whatever. SPX is where? 4370. So I'm going to write that same line that I was going for, the 4330s. 4340s. Right. Okay. All right. I'm going to sell 50 of the SPX again. Hold on one second. Yo, Zip, any clue what's going on with this sling? All right, so I sold the put side and the call side on SPX. I love that trade. Absolutely love that trade right now. That's probably my favorite trade out of all the shit that I got right now. Natalia, ¿tú tienes posición? Erwin, ¿tú tienes algo? Wow, that UPST 2 days, 8 fucking points, man. Wow, bro. Tesla looks weak as shit here. I like the sell calls on these, man. I fucking like them. I like them. ES volume is extremely light. Only 413,000 contracts since Glovac started last night. Yeah, man. I'm comfortable with where I feel like we're dancing around on SPX here. ECB's Nagel not seeing credit crunch. Fucker. Oil prices, man. Fucking oil. Look at oil. Look at oil. That's what they're using right now. That's what they're using. All they got to do is buy some banks here, and it's enough. It's enough, man. I love the rights now. I love the rights on both sides. That's my trade. I need more leverage, though. I need another fucking $2 million in leverage here. Let me take a look at this BA again. BA is doing nothing. Look at this tape on BA. It's fucking horrible. I think the service will continue, man. City yesterday said that they're more bullish than yeah, I've seen all those comments coming out from these banks too. Yep, yep. This BTC move, man, is still going. That Tesla, weak, weak on that Tesla. Oh man, pins back to 2480. Thank God. The Nvidia calls are dropping back down here. So I stand to make another 15 there and another 10 there. So another 25 in short premium on Nvidia calls. You know, but the move was just straight long puts. Fucking make 100 grand on that shit at least. Fuck that up. Now on the other side of things, I can make some good premium on this SPX here. So yeah, I did good on BTC on this BTC move. I had long calls and I'm short a fuck ton of puts. So I did good there. I'm gonna check that account in a second actually. All right. I mean, I think I'm pretty much done here for the day though. Let's put on our daily trade though for Kalshi. Again, you guys want to do this with me? Super cool product. Again, it's regulated. It's not regulated by SEC FINRA. It's CFTC. CFTC regulated. CFTC regulated. So these are products here um, that have an expiration, of course, and they work kind of like binary options. Did I ever get my FTX money? No, I haven't. I applied, of course, for the shit. Um, but did I ever get anything? No. Hopefully I get something out of it, man. Shit. Okay, so we got the... What trade are we making here? What trade are we making? Let's go to portfolio. They gave me a free 150 bucks, by the way. Okay, so I have 2 contracts here. All right, so we could. What do you guys think? What do you guys think we close at? 43.50 to 43.74 or 43.75 to 43.99? I don't know. I'm starting to think 43. I'm starting to think 43.75 to 43.99 is possible. I'm starting to think that's actually possible. So if I buy both, I'd be totally hedged. Now this one you could sell. Yeah, this one you could sell, but you wouldn't make enough. All right, let's buy some more of these. All right. And we want to buy at what, 41? Oh, okay. Let's buy some of these too. There we go. Okay, so we bought a 5 lot here of the close here that we closed between 43.50 and 43.74. And again, they got tons of other products here to kind of bet on. This is event-based trading. You can even bet on the Fed funds rate. Fucking recession here. Huh. Let's see what they got for the recession one. So your recession odds, this closes by the end of the year, or January 25th, 2024. So you can bet on that shit too. I'll drop a link here for you guys so you can get your Kalshi account set up. BTC still looks strong. Take a look at this. 29.4. So this looks already that we back at highs. So that MSTR looks fucking strong. I remember I still got 200 shares short. I'm gonna hold that. I'm gonna hold that for now. Maxine Waters, age 84, talking about digital payments. I mean, she's like OG in there, man. OGG in there. Nvidia here just kind of weak here, and that's what I kind of like. That's what I want from a price action standpoint. I'm surprised this Melly is holding up, especially after this shop just kind of faded out. Taking a look at the Boeing. Let's just circle around the club here real quick. All right, let's check back in with that OCEA. OCEA 650. This is a short. This is a short. That AMC too, by the way, that's a fucking short term. Our firm here, second day down. Let's take a look at the Tesla here. Nice comeback here. Amazon and Google are down. Microsoft here looks weak. You notice most tech looks fucking weak, but at the same time, if you look at oil, right? You look at oil, you look at BTC, there's enough rotation into something here to hold us up. Somebody bought some, looks like an Nvidia hedge here. If we take a look at the flow up here, Nvidia September 350s, about 2 million bucks here. Right? You got an AMC call buyer here, 5.5. Most of this stuff is all small cap shit. Google here, you got some puts here for July. That's another protection bet right there. Right? Kind of interesting. Overall, though, easy money from the morning is done, especially on the Nvidia. Aquatech is saying Kalshi has WTI crude as a product. Does it really? Let's take a look at it. Gasoline weekly, you mean? Is this one? So you can even hedge price of this stuff? Hmm. And then you can do climate as well. That's kind of comedy. I probably wouldn't bet those. I wouldn't bet those. But my bread and butter right here is SPX, man, because I'm trading that shit like a motherfucker all day, man. You know? So I like the idea of gambling hard on this particular account, right? So if you feel confident about an SPX close, man, I'll put the whole damn account in there, man. This is kind of my gambling account. This is kind of going to be my I like it. I like it a lot. So you're going to see me put every single day on on S&P, definitely. But then when we get numbers that come out or maybe interesting situations that you can try to hedge, you know, super cool, man. And again, it's fucking regulated products, which is amazing. Yo, Dip, you got that link again? Can you put it somewhere where I just have it? Okay, nice flop here, Spy. We like that. We like that because we're short the calls on NVIDIA. Notice what's happening on our short calls for NVIDIA. This premium is really coming out. This premium is really coming out, which is great. This is where the bulk of the cash is coming from anyway. Um, can you pin it somewhere that I'm always going to have? Okay, I'm going to drop the link for the I'm wicked. It's what I'm thinking is going to go down, man. Guys, use that link here that's dropped in there to set up your Kalshi accounts. Bro, I'm wicked. I think we're gonna do nothing here. And by the way, with the selling in the Fat Man, and they're still unable to break 435, it's fucking that's interesting. That's interesting. So keep looking for that rotation. If you look at banks, banks are starting to lift here. Banks are starting to lift here a little bit too. You know, the KRE, the Bank of America, the GS, JPM, right? So they're bidding certain shit while they're letting go or just, you know, compressing other stuff. So rinse and repeat kind of thing where market holds and eventually we rotate right back into the text and Tesla goes to fucking 280 or 290. In reality, if that's how you're thinking, you might even want to use some of these sell-offs to start a long position. Because if they wash everybody out, the long calls, right? Everybody gets washed out. Now it could be time. It could be that time. Yo, this BTC, man. Are you fucking kidding? Yo, they might go to 31 thou on fucking BTC, man. Google. Yeah. Amazon covered it back. Nvidia's starting to look better. But now the move is to sell call. It's not the long puts. It's too hard to make money on the long puts now, unless you get time and all that kind of stuff. You know. So the sell call is the way to go here. But this is starting to look. This P&L is starting to look better. I got the short calls. It is what it is, man. Now let's see if the selling pressure on some of this tech stuff is enough to push us down again. Natalia tiene algo, no, ¿verdad? Es que tiene los Fatman vendiendo, pero a la... Ajá. This looks like shit. This is, which is exactly what I want it to look like when I'm writing the options. Anyways, guys, let you guys go. I'm gonna be out. I'm gonna fucking get some food, man. Shit, I've been up since 4. Um, any questions? Anything you guys want to throw out there? Remember, if we actually have some desks open right now, that just opened up. Um, so go to tradespace.us and yeah. Ask Chrissy Trades. I think it could definitely crack lows. I think it could definitely crack lows. In fact, man, I'll throw the lotto out there, right? Right, I'll throw the lotto out there just to have it. And remember, I'm short all the calls, so that's gonna work out. Jason is saying, "What about this MSTR? What about it? What do you want to do? You want to trade it for me, bro? I don't know. Watch BTC and then see what's going on. Duke, yes, that's exactly why I moved, and then I fell in love while I'm here. Ilya, I think it is. How much are short-term rentals 1 month near your office? It depends. For a regular schmegular 1 bedroom, you can get something for less than $1,000. You can get something for around $1,000 here. For a regular schmegular kind of thing. So you could totally do that. I mean, we sell a diamond course here, um, where people come for 3 months, and then they take a full education kind of package. It's more for accountability. Um, you know, so there's plenty of stuff around here for decent cost. By the way, if you need help with all that kind of stuff too, again, just book a call with my guy Joel on the website. So you go to tradespace.us, talk to Joel, and he's my right hand, and you can ask him about anything. And again, that's what this space is all about. Once you're here, you're family. You know, we go out, we eat together, drink together, talk shit. That's the purpose of this place, because we all understand each other. We're traders. We're all fucking traders. That Nvidia finally here printed the 7 handle on that. That looks pretty good. And that's the low there. All right. All right, guys. Take care, and I will see you tomorrow.